Okay, let's do 56, and 56 will help us with 57. So epsilon, let's start over here. So what do we have here? Um, we're told a company has a total material variance, which is 60 pounds adverse. So we know the total material variance itself. So that 60 pound is split up into a price variance and a usage variance. So together, this is 60 pound adverse. Together, these two will add up to 60 pounds. So that's the first thing we know. Now we have some information about budgeted production. Remember, this helps us understand what was happening for each unit, right? So it says that budgeted production was 1,000 units using 800 kilograms. So therefore, we know we should be spending on one unit, therefore 0.8 kilograms. That's what I know. And then a total standard cost of 2,800. So for 800 kilograms, I should be spending 2,800. And so 2,800, therefore, so the cost of 1 kilogram should be 2,800 divided by 2,800 pounds divided by 800 kilograms, which is 800 divided by 800 gives me £3.50. £3.50. Okay, great stuff. So I have my standards, right? Now I could draw, let me draw my, just to help me. I know this is going to be £3.50 per kilogram in terms of standards. First of all, this question here, the standard cost of materials for actual production, the standard cost for actual production, you made 105, you made 1,050 units. So as far as standards are concerned, you should have used 0.8 kilograms and you should have spent £3.50. So if I just did that, first of all, 1050 times 0.8 times £3.50, I'm going to get 2,940. I mean, you didn't even need to do this, but you can do it. You can, but you don't need to. But you can, and I'll explain why. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take that out. I'm just going to call that 295. I'm just going to, so you know what it is. We're just going to call it 2,940. It's good as a control. I'll put it here. Okay. What else do I know? Well, I know that you to produce 1,050 units, you should use 0.8. You should use 0.8 kilograms. I know you should. So therefore, you should use 0.8 kilograms to make each unit. So therefore, to make 1,050 units, you should use 0.8 times 1,050. And that gives you 840. So you should be using 840 kilograms. But you used 1,000 kilograms. So I can tell you what the usage variance is. The usage variance is the difference between, of course, this is at the standard. It's 160 kilograms times the £3.50, right? So that's adverse. So £3.50 times 160 kilograms, £3.50 times 160 kilograms is 560 adverse. So I know your usage variance is 560 adverse. So this is 560 adverse. I know that. Now this automatically means, I'll just change my pen color, that if this is 560 adverse and the total variance is 60 adverse, this must have been 500 favorable. So you must have had a £500 favorable variance, right? That's what must have happened. Now, what else do I know? Well, I know that you should have spent £3.50 on these 1,000 kilograms you bought, right? You should have gone £3.50 times 1,000 kilograms. So you should have spent 3,500, but you have a £500 favorable variance, which means you must have spent 3,000, right? Because that's why it's a favorable variance. The fact is that you probably you're somewhere here and you've actually done that. That's what's actually happened. I don't need to calculate it. I can. Well, so what am I saying? I can. It's £3. 3,000 divided by 1,000 is £3. So instead of £3.50, you actually spent £3. So you spent £3 on a kilogram, and you bought in 1,000 kilograms. So the actual cost is 3,000. I mean, you can probably see the difference already. The difference between 2,940, because I know the overall variance is 60. So I could have started from here. I could have found this 3,000, deducted 60, and I'd be at 2,940. Or you could say, well, Ian, the price variance is 500 favorable. So going back, 3,000 minus 60 is you should have spent 2,940 overall. I've worked it out, but I've also shown that you could have worked backwards from here. So you have 2,940 here, but you could have done it in two ways. So please go ahead and do 57, and that should be good revision for that. Okay.